Welcome everyone to WhatsApp tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about what is member tag and how to use it on WhatsApp platform. So now you can see that on the left there is our WhatsApp platform and on the right there is our WhatsApp. And I've created a chatbot about chocolate company. Now I'm going to activate a chatbot. So it will reply me, welcome to Valencian Chocolatier. And I'm going to check out the chocolate. And I'm going to say I'm interested in black chocolate, let's say. Or maybe I want to check out the white chocolate too, so I type white chocolate. So this is just a very simple chatbot that will introduce a chocolate to the users. So what I'm trying to explain is just the flow, and I'm going to tell you how you can apply member tag into this simple chatbot and what is the concept of member tag. So for member tag, its main usage is to help you identify which types of clients are interested in what kind of products or what kind of services your company offers in the chatbot. Or maybe, for example, if you are running a campaign, you want to know you want to isolate or segmentize all your member lists, then you can use member tag to help you. And the way that member tag that can help you is by adding member tag to different conversation points. So let's say if you want to know who has talked about dark chocolate and who has talked about white chocolate in your chatbot, you can go to the dark chocolate tree node and then toggle on member tag. And then you can type interested in dark chocolate. Okay, so now I'm going to my member page because member tags are all stored in member page to each member. As you can see here, these are some member tags generated by me. Okay. So now I'm going to select the channel. Okay. So this phone number is now texting WhatsApp training 2. And now it has no member tag. Now when I type dark chocolate and then the chatbot reply dark chocolate, now I'm going to refresh the page. And now you see Philip Chan is interested in dark chocolate. So here in member details, you can delete the tag or you can manually add some tags on it. So it depends on how you want to manipulate the tags. But at least now, when you just want to find out and isolate the people who are interested in a certain product like dark chocolate, you can just filter it here in member page. And then you will filter out the people. And one of the very good part and easy to use part is that you can export the list out and export the people who are just interested in dark chocolate. And then use this data, maybe you can apply it to your Facebook ad manager to create a lookalike audience that will help you to pinpoint your target audience when you are placing ads in Facebook. Okay, so this is one of the ways that you can use member tag. Another way is to use it to create a target audience in the push panel. So the function of push panel is to help you select a group of target audience and then send a push notification to them. So let's say when you are creating the new audience, the member tag will help you a lot. So let's say I just want to push a message to those who are interested in dark chocolate. You can just select the channel first and then select send to a group of people, and then here in criteria you can actually just choose the ones who are interested in dark chocolate, and then our system will filter out all the people, and then you'll see that now there's one people who is interested in dark chocolate. So these are the two ways that you can use member tag. Thank you for joining in this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to our Wastel website and take a look. Thank you and have a nice day.